This is the longest zigzag path problem, where the goal is to use the given BST and count the longest number of nodes that can be gotten in a zigzag pattern where left and right are alternated. So in order to solve the problem, I store max length as a global variable and then have a helper recursive function to solve the problem, which will loop through the BST. So the problem uses first the root, then the direction it is currently going in, and the current length. If it is used on an empty node, then it simply returns nothing. Then if the current length is greater than the max length, then the max length is updated. And then the recursive function is used on the left and right branches, with the left direction having a direction of 0. And so with this function, if the current direction is 1, then it gets set to, the current length gets set to current length plus 1, because it means that it is in a zigzag pattern, and if not, then it's simply gets reset to 1. And it also gets used on the right branch with a direction of 1, which means it's going right. And if the current direction is 0, then it gets set to current length plus 1. And if it's 1, then it gets set to 1 because it is a right node going to a right node. And afterwards, this is used on the root function, and it is used with the twice with a direction of 0 and 1 to get the number to try both times and see which direction from the root, right or left, where the zigzag pattern started, can be compared, and ultimately the max length from both can be gotten to be returned.